Goggly TV.
The Nature Lover. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Timmy who loved playing outdoor. He would run through the green grass, chase butterflies, and climb the tall trees. One day, Timmy noticed that the grass was starting to turn brown and the trees looked sad. What's wrong with the nature? What's wrong with the trees and grass and plants, Mommy? Timmy asked his mom. Well, Timmy, nature needs our help to stay healthy and happy, his mom explained. We have to take good care of it. Timmy wanted to help, so his mom showed him some ways he could do that. She taught him to water the plants, pick up litter, and be gentle with the animals. Timmy was excited to be a nature helper. Every day, Timmy would go outside and check on the plants and animals. He made sure the flowers had enough water and that no trash was left on the ground. The trees and grass started to look green and healthy again. The birds and bugs were happy to have a safe, clean place to live. Timmy felt proud that he was taking care of nature. He knew that if everyone did their part, the whole world would be more beautiful. From then on, Timmy always remembered to be a good helper of nature. The end.
Please like and subscribe.
Goggly TV.